Hey there, I've got something for you today. Have you ever downloaded a video or image from a creator app and then saw that watermark slapped across the face of the image? Yeah, it's very annoying and of course immediately makes your work less polished and of course makes you look unprofessional. Okay, you don't have to worry about that because you're not alone. And the good news is you don't need to pay for every tool just to look professional, right? I found this web app called Unwatermark.ai and honestly, I think it's something you're gonna love. So, you can remove those annoying watermarks right from your browser. It has paid version of course, but the free version of it can actually help you get your work done perfectly. So let me just quickly show you how it works.
So here we are on my PC and this is my browser, so I'm just simply going to type in Watermark.ai and I hit enter. Okay, it's loading up now. Here we are on the landing page of Watermark.ai. So first thing we're going to do here is to check the features tab. You can see this small arrow here. We'll click it to see what we'll have right in there. So we have image watermark remover, batch watermark remover, and a bunch of other things. But what we're going to simply do here is to explore the image watermark remover and as well video watermark remover, right? So, but first, you can check the pricing, 0 credits, and then what you have available there are 3 free chances for auto remover every day. So you have just 3 projects to do for a day, 3 images to remove watermarks for every day, and then 30 free chances for manual remover every day. So I'll explain what this manual remover is in a moment. Then video watermarks remover, then 30 seconds preview of video processing result, and then 10 free preview for video per week. Okay, so you can see other paid versions here, 0.045 credits per project, and over here 0.35 on the time payments. Okay, if it's something that you can consider, you can just go ahead and subscribe for it. I'll just simply go ahead and remove watermarks from the picture first, from an image. So let's click on image watermark remover. Okay, so right here we have 2 options which you can actually remove watermarks from images. The first one is auto remover, and what you simply do the auto remover functionality is to simply upload the picture here or the image here, and then automatically the system will detect the watermarks and remove it automatically without you doing anything. And then for the manual one, you need to hover over it, pick the actual place where the watermark is, and then it will remove it. So let's check the auto remover first, and then we'll go over to the manual remover. Okay, so I'm going to simply upload. So you can see the button is active on auto remover now. If I want to go to manual, I'll just simply click on this and it will activate the manual functionality. But now let's go to auto remover. So I'll upload image right here on the upload image, and I'll click it. And I have some pictures here that I want to work on. Image 1, yeah, it's this one. So I'm going to click enter. So it's going to auto remove the watermarks. Right in here we have Grok. Down here you can see Grok here, right? It's going to remove it automatically. You see it will disappear. The watermarks is gone now, right? You can see it just disappears, right? So what I simply do is just download it, right? I'm going to download, click on download, and now it has downloaded into my PC, and we're going to check it. You can see down here was where the watermark was. This was where it was. Now it's gone. Okay, so that's it for image watermarks remover for auto. Now let's check manual. So let's go back and click image watermark remover. We're going to manual now. So I'll upload the same image down here, image 1. Right, you can see the watermarks down here. It's grok. So I'm going to simply hover over it. You can see my mouse it's having this plus sign, right, which indicates that I can actually drag on this image. So you can either drag to draw on the particular portion of the image where the watermarks is. We're going to just drag on top of this, and then we release our hand and we click on remove now. Watermarks is gone, right? You can see it just disappears, right? So what I simply do is just download it, right? I'm going to download, click on download, and now it has downloaded into my PC. We're going to check it. You can see it down here. It's gone. Okay, so that's it for image watermarks remover. Okay, now so let's see the video watermark remover. Okay, so I'm going to simply upload the video. You have 3 formats here. I simply will drag this rectangle over here on this watermarks, right? So now I'll click on remove now. So let's wait for it to get it done. Okay, so let's check this one first. You can see this is the original copy of that video. The watermarks is there, right? So now let's check the results. Zoom out. You can see the watermark is not there anymore. It has been removed. Beautiful. So you can go ahead, click on these 3 dots, and then you download your video into your PC. Okay, now it's done. So let's check it out. Okay, so you can see the watermarks is gone, right? So that's basically how to remove watermarks from image and also from any kind of video with Unwatermark.ai web app. I hope you learned something from this, so you can create your video anywhere from any platform, especially those paid platforms that you have to subscribe. Otherwise, you will have watermarks. So such a video or such an image, you can easily use this platform to remove the watermarks, and then you are good to go. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and then subscribe for more of this kind of video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.